Welcome to 2-Minute English.
Mom, why is Dad washing the car? I would have done it on the weekend.
Oh, he came home early today, so he decided to wash it now.
He came home early? That's rare. I bought a knee massager for Dad.
He was trying to lift the rice bag onto the top shelf, and he ended up spraining his shoulder.
He's been complaining about his shoulder lately.
He'll be happy to get this surprise. Vijay, dinner is ready. Come to the table. I made prawn biryani and chicken pakoda tonight.
Wow, Mom. You know exactly how to cheer me up after a long day.
Tough day at work, son?
Yeah, a bit. Meetings, deadlines, and you know how it is. Just the smell of this biryani makes everything better.
I know how much you love prawns. And don't forget the fritters. They're crispy and hot.
You spoil me, Mom. This looks amazing.
Vijay, are you watching something while eating again?
Just a quick reel, Ma.
What's so interesting on those reels?
Oh, just a content creator named Maya. She does these quirky, relatable skits. She's really funny.
You seem to talk about Maya a lot these days.
Come on, Ma. It's not like that. Her reels are just good entertainment after a hectic day.
Sounds like this Maya is getting more attention than my newspaper headlines.
All right. Good night, Dad.
Good night, my son.
Keep up the amazing work, Maya.
Haha, thank you. Glad you could relate.
By the way, hi. I'm VJ. Big fan of your content.
Hi, VJ. Thank you so much.
I've been following your reels for a while now. They're super entertaining.
Glad you enjoyed it. What do you do?
I'm a software engineer. Your skits are way too relatable. How did you get into making these reels?
I started making reels as a hobby during the lockdown. It grew into something bigger. Now it's my full-time thing.
That's amazing. It's inspiring to see someone turn their passion into a career.
Let's stay connected. It's great chatting with you.
Definitely, Maya.
Dima, Rashmi, welcome.
Please sit down.
It's been a while since we saw you both.
Yes, brother. It's been busy days.
Hello, Uncle. Hello, Auntie.
Let me bring some coffee.
You both look quiet today. Everything okay?
Actually, bro, I came to talk about something important.
Oh? What's on your mind?
Remember when Vijay and Rashmi were born? We used to joke about getting them married one day. I thought they make a good match. They work in the same office, understand each other.
That sounds good. Vijay hasn't told us much. Did he say anything to you, Raghu?
Actually, Yema, Vijay mentioned someone else. He's interested in a girl named Maya.
Maya? I didn't know about this.
She's creative, makes popular reels on social media, and is quite talented. She's good looking too.
So he doesn't have feelings for Rashmi.
Vijay feels Maya is the right person for him.
I'm so sorry if this has hurt you both.
No. It's fine. I just had hopes, that's all.
It's okay, Mom. If Vijay likes someone else, we can't force anything.
Yema, Rashmika is a wonderful girl. She deserves someone who truly values her.
Yes, maybe this isn't the right match, but the right one will come.
Thank you, Raghu and Gauri.
We'll leave now.
Take care, sister. If you need anything, we're here for you.
Stay strong, both of you.
Dad, how does this lehenga look on me?
Stunning, Maya. You're glowing like a traditional lamp.
Maya, you're glowing, no doubt. But what about helping me pick a matching color for my sherwani?
What do you think about this blazer?
Nice selection, my love.
Raj, do you think the wedding decorations are good enough?
Don't worry, Ranjana. Everything is perfect. All that's left is to enjoy the party.
All right. Does anyone have ideas for the return gifts?
How about giving a handy blender? It's really useful for women.
People will appreciate something so handy. All right, everyone. Let's get ready quickly. We have less than 10 minutes.
Hey honey, how was your day?
VJ, my reel just hit 100,000 likes in no time.
Looks like you're becoming a star. What about the household chores that need attention?
That's your job, VJ. Keeping me beautiful is everyone's priority.
Really? And what about mom?
Oh, VJ, who asked her to cook? We can just order food online. There are so many apps for that these days.
Maya, it's not just about food.
All right, Mr. Perfect. Go help her, and I'll make another reel.
Mom, why is the baby crying? Where's Maya?
She's in the bedroom.
She hasn't come out for a long time.
Let me check on her. Maya, are you okay?
VJ, my stomach is hurting, and there's bleeding.
It's all a natural process, Maya. I'll take you to the bathroom.
Still, my stomach is hurting.
Mood swings after birth are common. After giving birth, hormone changes can make you feel happy one moment and upset the next. It's completely normal.
VJ, look at me.
Don't worry too much.
My body has changed so much. My hair is falling, my skin has darkened. My dresses don't even fit anymore.
Maya, it's okay. This is all part of the process.
But I can't even do reels like before.
That's okay, you've just had a baby. It's a huge change for your body.
Everyone calls me bubbly. I'm receiving more negative comments from my followers.
Ignore those negative comments, honey.
My followers are leaving me. They don't want to watch me anymore. I've lost my career because of this, because of you.
Hey VJ, you seem a bit dull today. What's going on?
Oh, it's Maya. She's become addicted to the reels. And since the baby came, she feels like her beauty is spoiled.
Did you realize that her hormonal changes after birth are pretty common?
Yeah, I've been explaining to her how the mood swings during breastfeeding can really affect her.
It's tough on the body.
I'm the one doing all the baby care, sleepless nights, diaper changes, and managing the house chores with my mom. It's just a lot to handle. It's just a lot.
I can imagine. It's exhausting. By the way, how's Maya doing now?
Yesterday, she fainted, so I had to admit her to the hospital.
That sounds serious. Me and my mom will come and meet her.
That's kind of you, Rashmi.
Madam, please calm down. Sir, please bring her out.
Doctor, what happened to my daughter? Why is she like this?
Let me explain. Your daughter has been diagnosed with oppositional defiant disorder.
Odd?
What does that mean? Is it serious?
It's a behavioral disorder. It often shows patterns of angry, defiant, and vindictive behavior. If untreated, it can escalate to aggressive behaviors that harm others.
Aggressive? Harmful?
But Maya has always been a sweet girl.
How did this happen?
Sometimes these symptoms can be subtle in childhood.
This is so shocking.
It could be from genetic, environmental, or psychological factors.
Can it be treated?
Yes, treatable. ODD might continue to face challenges in relationships.
Get out. All of you. I don't want to see your faces. You've ruined my life.
Maya, please calm down.
We're here to support you.
I hate you all. Get lost, everyone.
She'll rest now. Let's step outside so she can recover.
It's because of me.
When she was a child, Maya was always adamant and easily annoyed.
I thought it was just a phase. I never imagined it would become so serious.
We always pampered her. She's our only daughter. We wanted to give her the best.
We failed as a good parents.
We didn't teach her how to face life's challenges.
Especially to overcome from the negative comments in the social media.
We all made mistakes, Ranjana. None of us thought it would come to this.
VJ, I'm so sorry.
This situation has caused you so much pain.
Yes, VJ. Please forgive us.
It's not about blame anymore. What matters now is that Maya gets better. We need to be strong for her.
After everything, Vijay deserves this happiness.
And Rashmi is such a wonderful girl.
She'll bring peace and happiness into his life.
This is a fresh start for all of us. Let's cherish this moment.
It's time for healing and happiness.
I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English more, please subscribe to 2-Minute English channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.